Now we develop a fishnet of Bogura district 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer. First we add shape file of Bogura district, then color of interior is hollow, level properties, name 3 as Upozilla name, okay, level feature. Okay. Now we change coordinate, projected coordinate as we create 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer. So we change coordinate. If we uh, create fishnet as 1 degree by 1 degree by 30 minute by 30 minute per second as these are the projected running coordinate is enough. But we develop in kilometer units, so change this. Okay. Properties coordinate system. Here we mark as favorite coordinate as WGS 984 UTM zone 459 for meter unit, but we find this projected coordinate UTM 984 northern hemisphere UTM zone 45. Okay, apply. Okay, then we search create fishnet create FISHNET create fishnet or data management tools output feature. Okay, Bogura. Okay, we want to save as a name. Okay, same as layer of Bogura. Then say we 1,000 meter as 1 kilometer, 1,000 meter. No change others as usual. Then okay. Wait and see. Develop fishnet. Okay, we develop a fishnet, but we record fishnet of interior, so we need to clip. New processing, clip input feature as Bogura 12 level, which is dot mark level. Bogura 12 level. We see this. We see this again. This is Bogura 12 level. We unmark this is dotted unmarked. So this is line. This is give center point. We record center point. So click we center the point. Okay. Input feature level. Okay. Clip as Bogura. Okay. Then if we mark all, then we need to record this. Now we export data. So we see open activity table here. Only point, no lat long. So we add to tab column and field and name latitude, latitude, dot type. Okay. We add again a field longitude, longitude, dot okay. Then we select latitude, calculated geometric data. Okay. And latitude is the y coordinate. So select y coordinate unit meter, not decimal degrees. Which we record. We calculate decimal degrees. Okay. Okay. These are the grid center point latitude. Again, we calculated longitude of this geometry. Okay. X coordinate on this longitude in decimal degrees. Okay. Here, this data. So we select, we need to in Excel sheet. So we mark all, select all. This is want to continue. Okay, all is marked. We then exported data. Export here. Exported data. We exported data record folder. Then find db db dbase file table. This is the records data. Save. Okay, exported. Yes. Okay. Record area marked as. Then we open. This is the exported file here. This time is 12 p.m. 12:51 p.m. These are the exported file. This is record database file. CPG file, DBA file, block file. We record this file. We open Excel sheet. Then open PC drive. This file in my this folder. This is this database file. We open this. Okay. Latitude and longitude as we generated the hash mark onwards. This data is normal number. We send this as general number. Okay. Pointer removed. General number. Okay. So this is the long central point of fishnet center. There's all data here. We develop 2926 fishnet central point of all here. There's we remove this from open activity table and mark poster and mark select analyze select all see selection. Okay. Then these are answers. Okay. This is all. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.